Thomas and Percy, I did instead.
Oh, hello, Rosie. I hope we didn't scare you too much. We've got a special Halloween surprise for you at Tidmouth Sheds today. Thomas and Percy are here too. Tell them what you're dressed up as, Percy and Thomas.
I'm dressed up as an ice monster.
And I'm dressed up as a beekeeper. Bzz, bzz.
I like your costumes, Thomas and Percy.
Yes, they have very good costumes, don't they, Rosie? Now we've set up special trick-or-treating behind each door at Tidmouth Sheds. There's 5 doors to choose from, and you won't know if it's a trick or a treat until you knock on the door. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'll knock at the first door. Ooh, what is it?
Oh, Percy, I think it's Halloween chocolate bark. That looks delicious. I can't wait to see what's behind door number 2. I think I'll knock on it this time. Ready? Here I go. Ew, what is that?
I think it's rabbit poo, Thomas.
Oh, yuck. That's definitely a trick. Quick, shut the door. Rosie, can you knock on the next door, please?
Yes. What's behind this door, Thomas?
Well, I don't think it's a trick, even though it looks like one. I think it is a candy gummy spider. Ooh, that's gonna be yummy.
I think we only have 2 doors left to open.
Oh, door number 4. Sir Topham Hatt, could you open this door for us, please?
Ew! It's a giant eyeball!
Ew, that was definitely a trick. Shut that door. Okay, how about we all open the last door together?
Let's go.
Wow, it's a Kinder Surprise egg! Okay, I think we need Rosie to say the magic words for us so we'll open up and we can see what's inside.
Abracadabra.
Oh, wow, will you look at that? It's Dory! Oh, hello, who are you? I forgot. Silly Dory, it's Thomas, Percy, Rosie, and Sir Topham Hatt. Oh, yes, now I remember. It's good to see you all. Did you have a fun time trick-or-treating? Yes, we did.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.